The third assessment for the lecturer in subject of evolutionary biology is an online exam and consists of 100 items. The coverage of the exam is divided into the topic we have covered from the whole semester from week 1 up to week 17. The topic that included in the exam are: in week 2, the topic is Introduction of Evolutionary Biology. In the week 3, the topic is Origins of Life in Precambrian Evolution. In week 4, the topic is Evolution by Natural Selection. The week 5, the topic is Mechanism of Speciation. In week 7 and 8, the topic is Estimating Evolutionary Tree. In week 9, Variations among Individuals. In week 10, Studying Adaptation. In week 11, Sexual Selection. In week 13, Evolution of Social Behavior. In week 14, Aging in Other Life History. In week 15, Evolution and Human Health. Throughout the semester, there are 3 assessments with 2 exercises for each assessment, 1 in lecture and 1 in the laboratory. Week 1 to 5 were in assessment 1. Week 7 to 11 were included in assessment 2. Week 13 to 17 were included in assessment 3. In terms of the requirements for the final laboratory assessment, my professor has assigned us the task of explaining how we manage to answer the final test in lecture and what preparation we made before taking exam. As for me, I did a lot of preparation before taking the online exams to ensure that I could pass it. First, I downloaded the learning materials provided by the lecturers. I also conducted some web research in case I encountered some problems that aren't addressed in the offered materials. Every week, once the topic were discussed, quizzes were given. So after completing the quizzes, I make sure to have a copy of each one. Since I am aware that my professor used the past quizzes as part of her assessments. While completing the online exam, I encountered a few issues or problems, including the bad internet connection and website of universities being overloaded. While I'm in the middle of taking my online exam, the university's website suddenly crashed down, maybe because at the time, many students are using it at the same time. And that's all for my assessment 3.